Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to McAfee's Knob here on the Appalachian Trail in Southwestern Virginia. That behind me is the city of Roanoke, Virginia. This is actually the first time I think I've been down here. Definitely the first time I was an adult. I'm actually in Virginia here visiting my sister and my niece for a few days. We decided to drive 4 hours from Northern Virginia down to Southwestern Virginia to do this McAfee's Knob hike today, which I just took some photos and stuff over there. This is kind of the very first video of these videos that will be coming out over the next couple of months from this trip that I am on right now, starting here in Virginia just for a few days, and I'll be heading back out west again to be doing some national parks in California and stuff, which I'm very excited about because I've never been to California before. I haven't been to any of the national parks there. I'm very excited to explore some of that and hopefully take some photos and yeah, make some videos about it. This was kind of a short video from today's hike. Tomorrow we're planning on going on to the Shenandoah National Park, which is just a bit further north from here where we are in the Roanoke area, and I'm really looking forward to visiting Shenandoah because I've never been to that national park, so I'll be another one checked off the list for me there. So we get some hikes planned for there tomorrow. Hey, you're watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Hope you enjoy some of the next videos coming out over the next couple of months, and I'll see you in the next one.